Morning team, it's Monday 29 May. The month is about to finish. Somebody asked me what's this picture every morning. It's just like an extension for Firefox. It's called Momentum extension, and they change every morning. Firefox. They change every morning. It's free. It's nice because you also get their bookmarks on the left. Change every morning with a nice picture. Give you the time, some info. So if you want to install, it's the same. Okay. It's bank holiday in all the main countries. I got to say something. Usually bank holidays are my best days, but and I was like kind of excited on Saturday when I see bank holiday. But when it's bank holiday in USA and Europe too, maybe it's a bit too much of bank holidays together. So I don't know. There are some countries that is working: Spain, Italy. Yeah. We got basically no news at all today. But this week we got NFP on Friday. And during the week we got red news all over. So it's gonna be a good week. About today, I don't know. Maybe it's too much bank holidays. Anyway, we got 3 days before the monthly close, including today. And there is a small week already formed. It doesn't tell me anything, this one. We are in a weekly kind of support, even if it didn't break any structure, but yeah. Monthly. Sorry, monthly. I was saying weekly. Instead, this is monthly. Okay, week. Last week was another red one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 red week. And now we are again in this weekly bullish of the block. You know, I said on the daily that I wanted them to take this wing low, which they did, and they double raid. This is kind of interesting, this double raid, because they took the low before and they're pushing now. I don't know if what I called as a probably swing low is gonna be in. I really wanted the volume imbalance. You know, I love when they do the doji, because it means that price is kind of balanced between buyers and sellers. Let me see. Okay, pretty much everything that the doji. Okay, so basically what happened when you see the doji, many times there is another stop run and then they go in opposite direction now. I think we discussed this many times. But yeah, I would have loved if they dumped a little bit more into 68, take again the liquidity, the volume imbalance, rebalance, and then push it, I don't know, till 94, 90. This is a big untested of the block, huh? Because this was support, a big one, that made 250 pip move, support, then finally arrive here, they hold, and then they give up. So when we're gonna get here, I'm sure this bearish of the block is gonna give some reaction. So, okay, let's see. Right now they're pushing. Let's go to hourly charts. Anyway, this doji is not bearish, okay? H12. This is interesting because last week we touched the fair value gap. And now we are pushing again. So first resistance I can see is this one. This kind of breaker now, kind of did his work here last Friday. So I see only this one as an extra resistance on H12. Yeah, then if we break this one, we got more above. But right now, if we keep going higher, this is gonna be an interesting level. A 78, 80 area. H1, H4, sorry. I need, I need this big week to go in order to start to think bull. Yeah, we can get like a small scalp long to this area, but I mean this is a bearish QM, so until this give up, I cannot be too bullish. Yes, there is an H4 raid, but I don't know. I don't trust it. I mean, let's go to the time frame. This is the first M15 shift bullish BMS. If we close above this one, then it's like H4 raid, M15 BMS, start to be slightly bullish. Close above this one, I become pretty bullish myself. Because this M15 week, look at this. Support, 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 and somebody here sold and break all these support levels. So this is super, super nice for me as a area of interest, okay? I don't like what they did here. Yeah, this Asia looks a little bit not the best for the bullish cause. I mean, well, let's see. It's still early. We said this bank holiday price is gonna be super slow. Don't get excited because it's Monday. You see, look, these little gaps. If you open MT4, it's gonna be full of gaps, you know, before London Open, because before Frankfurt Open and London Open, because bank holiday means less liquidity provider. So I'm waiting for clarity. If we start to close above this one is bullish, above this one is really bullish, and then we're gonna see if they pull back in some level and we keep going higher. Well, I'm gonna be wrong about this bullish mini bounce. Yeah, of course. If we start to close below this one, I'm not bullish, huh? I'm just saying that right now we're pushing, and I don't want to go counterflow. Well, now that I'm looking properly, we're pushing into valid resistance. Oop, 1 second. I don't know if this pattern plays out, it's gonna dump the raising wedge. Anyway, that's enough for me for today for the video. We keep in touch later in the group, and I'm gonna post more charts. Have a nice week ahead, and don't rush into trades. It's just Monday. It's nice to start the week with a nice win. You're gonna trade all the week more lightly. Ciao.